flat panel with one curve in it. That's about 1 by 2 inches. Well, I've made this patch 3 times and keep blowing holes. I finally determined that area must be so rusty that it's just too thin. So I'm going to make a much bigger repair, like I did the other side. This will be my very first time using the shrinker stretcher. One out here toward the edge and one, yeah. And yes, it left it rough, but I don't care. And I expected as much because it's grabbing it and shoving it together. Yeah, it needs a little tweaking, but first we got to know if that's the right amount of curve. I think that's looking pretty close. This down here will have to be pounded down as I tack it in. It's a little long right here still. And it's going to be a little high up here, which I'm going to trim that after the fact. It's just too easy to do after it's in there. But this is getting the right shape. I'm pretty happy with that. I might add a little bit of fiberglass reinforced filler here and there just to make it pretty, but it's solid. It's good repair. It's 18 gauge. I wasn't blowing near as many holes as I was using the existing 20 gauge that I cut off of the floor pans. Oh, I need to grind that down. And that'll be that. I mean, I'm replacing panels, floor pans, 3 floor pans, and this cowl panel right here that's rusted out. Can replace that. They've got a patch panel that only comes back part way. Not this whole thing. Anyway, gotta splice it in. I'm kind of saving that to a little bit later because I improved my skills a little bit on some of these easier parts. So I'm gonna have to make a piece for that. That's bad. All the way down almost to the louvers there.